Let's get honest for a moment. We live in a world that constantly invites us to look sideways, to glance at what everyone else is doing, achieving, and becoming. It's almost impossible to avoid. Every day we're bombarded with images and stories of other people's successes, their perfect moments, their highlight reels, and it's so easy to fall into the trap of measuring our worth against what we see. Too many of us waste precious hours comparing our lives to others, scrolling endlessly through feeds that only show the best parts of someone else's story. We see their celebrations, their milestones, their victories, and we start to feel like we're falling behind. That sense of inadequacy creeps in, whispering that we're not enough, that we're missing out, that we should be somewhere else by now. That comparison game, it's a thief. It steals your joy, your confidence, and your peace before you even have a chance to begin. It convinces you that your journey isn't valuable, that your progress doesn't matter, and that your unique path is somehow less important than someone else's. But here's the truth. Your journey is yours alone, custom designed for you, with its own timing, its own lessons, and its own rewards. No one else can walk it for you, and no one else can define what success looks like in your life. When you're busy watching someone else, you're standing still in your own race. You lose sight of your own goals, your own dreams, and the unique gifts you've been given. Imagine a runner who keeps looking sideways. They stumble, they slow down, and they miss the finish line that was meant for them. All that energy spent envying others is energy you're not investing in yourself. Every moment you spend wishing for someone else's life is a moment you could be building your own. Instead of letting comparison drain you, choose to redirect that energy into your growth, your passions, and your purpose. God has a blueprint for your life, but you can't read it if you're glued to someone else's story. Stop doubting your gifts. You were created with intention, with talents and dreams that are uniquely yours. Trust that your path, even with its twists and turns, is leading you exactly where you need to go. Your potential is immeasurable, but it needs your focus. When you look inward and commit to your own growth, you unlock possibilities you never imagined. Every step you take, no matter how small, is progress. Every goal you set and pursue brings you closer to the person you're meant to become. The moment you stop measuring your progress against others is the moment you start building your own legacy. Brick by brick, day by day, you create something lasting, something that reflects your values, your faith, and your vision for the future. Get out of the stands and onto the field of your own life. Don't just watch others live boldly. Step up and take your place. The world needs what only you can offer. Your destiny is waiting. Don't let comparison keep you from it. The horizon is wide open, and your story is still being written. Embrace the adventure that's uniquely yours. Look up, look inward, and move forward. The only race worth running is the one that leads you closer to your true self. Time to get real. If you want to live a life that's truly yours, you have to be willing to step away from the noise. Most people spend their days watching, comparing, and measuring themselves against the world. But the truth is, greatness is never found in the crowd. It's found in the quiet moments when you dare to look within and ask, what am I really here for? Take your eyes off the crowd. Stop letting the opinions and actions of others dictate your direction. The crowd will always have something to say, but their voices are just echoes, empty and fleeting. Social media is a dream killer, showing you fantasy, not reality. It's a highlight reel, not the behind the scenes. Every scroll can chip away at your confidence, making you believe you're falling behind, when in reality, you're just distracted from your own path. Every minute spent watching someone else is a minute lost from your own story. Imagine what you could create, learn, or become if you invested that time in yourself instead of watching others live their lives. Protect your focus like it's gold. Set boundaries. Put down the phone, mute the negativity, and reclaim your attention. Your energy is precious, and you get to choose where it goes. Let go of draining conversations. Not every argument deserves your voice, and not every opinion needs your response. Sometimes, the bravest thing you can do is walk away and protect your peace. Create a quiet space for your mind, a sanctuary where you can hear God's whisper. In the stillness, you'll find clarity, purpose, and the courage to move forward. The crowd is loud, but God whispers. The world shouts for your attention, but your true calling is found in the gentle, persistent voice within. If your life is full of noise, you'll miss His direction. Choose to be intentional. Make space for silence, for reflection, for listening to what really matters. While others chase the crowd, You chase your mission. It takes courage to go against the grain, but that's where your destiny lies. Outside the comfort zone, beyond the familiar. Let your focus set you apart. When you commit to your vision, distractions lose their power. You become unstoppable, driven by purpose, not popularity. The prize is the life God planned for you. Don't let distractions steal it. Be different. Be relentless. Stay true to your calling even when it feels lonely. Your focus is your superpower. Guard it fiercely and watch your life transform in ways you never imagined. Once you've tuned out the crowd, when you've learned to quiet the noise of opinions, distractions, and doubts swirling around you, you create space for clarity. In that silence, you can finally hear your own inner voice, the one that knows your purpose and your calling. It's in these moments of intentional stillness that you find the strength to move forward, no matter what's happening around you. Now, it's time to set your face like flint. This isn't just about looking determined, it's about making a conscious decision to be unwavering, to let nothing shake your focus. Flint is a stone known for its hardness and resilience. When you set your face like flint, you're choosing to be unbreakable in your resolve. That means unbreakable resolve, determined, focused, and unyielding. Whether you're stepping onto a field, into a boardroom, or facing a personal challenge, you carry a mindset that refuses to back down. You become the kind of person who keeps showing up, even when it's hard, even when the odds seem stacked against you. You're not swayed by opinions or setbacks. You're locked in on your purpose. The world may try to distract you. Critics may try to discourage you, but your eyes stay fixed on your goal. You learn to let negativity roll off your back, and you keep moving forward with confidence. Jesus set his face like flint toward his destiny, undistracted by pain or doubt. He knew the path ahead would be difficult, but he chose to walk it anyway, with courage and conviction. His example shows us that true strength isn't the absence of fear or struggle. It's the willingness to keep going, no matter what. That's the mindset you need. Purpose over comfort, faith over fear. Growth happens when you step out of what's familiar and embrace the unknown. Every time you choose your calling over convenience, you build the kind of character that can withstand any storm. Decide daily that your calling matters more than people's approval. Remind yourself that your dreams are worth fighting for, even if others don't understand them. Each day, recommit to your vision and take one step closer to your destiny. Write your goal, say it out loud, pray over it, and let it become a part of your daily routine. Speak life into your dreams and don't be afraid to declare them boldly. The more you affirm your purpose, the stronger your resolve becomes. Surround yourself with reminders, visual cues, affirmations, and encouraging words that keep your vision front and center. Fill your environment with things that inspire you and keep you focused, so that even on tough days, you remember why you started. This isn't a one-time choice, it's a daily discipline. Every morning, you have to choose to show up, to put in the work, and to keep your eyes on the prize. Consistency is what transforms resolve into results. Build mental toughness, and watch obstacles move. The more you practice resilience, the more you realize that challenges are just stepping stones, not roadblocks. Each victory, no matter how small, strengthens your confidence and prepares you for the next challenge. When you set your face like flint, you become unstoppable. You develop a momentum that carries you through setbacks and propels you toward your goals. The finish line isn't just a destination, it's a testament to your perseverance. Let your determination speak louder than any doubt. Let your actions prove your commitment, and let your unwavering spirit inspire those around you. Remember, it's not about never feeling uncertain. It's about choosing to move forward anyway. Keep moving forward, one step at a time. Your destiny demands it, and every step you take brings you closer to the life you were meant to live. Stay strong, stay focused, and never lose sight of your purpose. Now let's talk about what you do. Turn inward. Stop analyzing others and start investing in your own growth. You can't pour from an empty cup. Fill yourself first. Take care of your body, mind, and spirit. What you feed yourself matters. Your spiritual growth is where real power lies. Spend quiet time with God, listen, and dig into His Word. When you focus inward, the world's noise fades and God's voice grows. Think of your life as a garden. Tend to it, pull the weeds, plant seeds of faith. Water your life with prayer and the Word. Your unique life will blossom when you do the inward work. This is the most important work you'll ever do. You were born with a divine assignment. Your life is not an accident. Your gifts and passions are clues to your purpose. Stop ignoring what makes you come alive. That's God nudging you. Self-awareness unlocks your purpose. Spend time in reflection and prayer. Ask God to reveal your assignment and listen for His answer. Your purpose is found where your gifts meet the world's needs. Own your assignment. Don't downplay it or make excuses. God equips those He calls. Walking in purpose gives you clarity. Say yes to what aligns, no to what doesn't. This clarity is your superpower. Stay focused on your mission. Your assignment is your filter for life. Move toward your destiny with confidence. When you're focused on your assignment, you command respect without asking. People respect consistency, dedication, and purpose. Your actions speak louder than words. Let your life be your message. Those who once doubted you will start seeking your advice. Your commitment creates quiet confidence and authority. You become an inspiration, showing what's possible with focus. Stop chasing approval. Aim for respect. Be a person of integrity and discipline. Let your success and character do the talking. While others seek attention, you seek excellence. The respect you earn will outlast fleeting approval. Live a life of substance. True focus and determination come from a deep connection to God. Willpower fades, but God's strength endures. Prioritize your relationship with God. It's the engine for everything else. Make daily prayer and time in the Word non-negotiable. Prayer is a two-way conversation. Pour out your heart and listen for guidance. The Bible is your playbook for life, renewing your mind and building faith. This discipline protects you from distraction and temptation. Start your day with God. Put on your spiritual armor. This daily connection builds confidence in God's power, not just your own. You'll find strength for every challenge. Spiritual discipline is your lifeline. Stay connected. Stay strong. Inspiration is great, but you need a plan. Audit your time. Where is your energy really going? Cut out mindless scrolling and draining conversations. Set strict limits on your phone and notifications. Create phone-free zones to protect your peace. Replace distractions with time for God. Schedule it like your most important meeting. Use this time for prayer, study, and quiet reflection. Choose relationships that lift you up and hold you accountable. Your environment and circle matter. Curate them wisely. Protect your focus by building a life that supports your mission. Be ruthless about what you allow in. Your focus shapes your future. Start today. Imagine waking up with purpose, free from comparison and anxiety. That life is possible when you focus on your God-given assignment. This journey transforms you, unlocking creativity, strength, and resilience. When you align with God's purpose, things start to fall into place. You're no longer striving alone, you're operating in His strength. This is true freedom. Freedom from comparison, people-pleasing, and self-doubt. Your worth is rooted in being a child of God. Move with confidence and peace, knowing you're on your divine path. Stop looking sideways. Set your eyes on God and your destiny. Pursue your assignment with everything you've got. Your best life is ahead of you. Now go get it.